welcome back to my channel. It's me, Christina Silitonga, handbags lover. So this session I will bring you to the Coach Outlet. Shop with me at Coach Outlet, Wertheim Village. So this time on this session, still Black Friday, Coach Outlet, they give you really special offer. It's more than 50% off the price, original price, and they do as well special promotion for the special bag. For example, there is a design style handbag, the same design, but only because of the different color, they do really more than 70% off the price of original price. What is that? I will show you. Here we go. %, from outlet price, so it's over at 389, so 145, 325, so 180. This price from 395, special price become 99 euro. Coach outlet shop at Wertheim Village are not so big like in Vallee Village. So I do visit at Vallee Village. They have a huge shop, but outlet Coach here at Wertheim is not so big. It's same size like Furla. I don't know why. Maybe it's based on how many people are visiting the outlet and based on the country. That's it. 169. $140, 40%. €99, original 395 is 89 now. From 350 becomes 89 euro. This is not my first time buy Coach handbag, and it will be the second time. The first time is quite a long time ago, on the year of 2010. I bought it in Penang, or I was not wrong, it is at Gurne Plaza. So that time on the boutique Coach store, it's quite expensive. I bought my handbag. I love Coach bag as well, and yeah, but this time I'm really so happy, and I would like to I cannot wait anymore for unboxing session for my handbag. Coach, this handbag is quite really good overpriced. It's so nice. So don't forget, if you are the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you already subscribed my channel, don't forget put the bell on so you don't miss my next video. Will be the unboxing session. Super cool, guys. So that's it, the video. Shop with me at Coach Outlet Shop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, for you newcomer coming to my channel, to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget as well to hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. And for all of you, please give me high thumbs, like this video, and leave some comments below. Thank you. See you again on the unboxing session. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Handbags lover.